Kuliah cuma lebih berat season pan. Teh kan ka video komentar kan ka long gaji pentip nam ta gitu ki kandidat mah jong ka apply nam ta ka mekla polis. Telah min notice biang sak kawe biang. Teh habe dei bat kini ki doubtful roll number na doubtful candidate. To gitu ki bala ada penmi roll number ada penmi kum tu hi ngada man pa check ngatrai borok kle ape hi. Teh gitu ki ba mi number kha ban lek ben verify po CRB po mauro te entah la mi biang sakoi biang kan notis la pen ong hangre kan notis sapule kan notis ong ba nda kila ada ban verification bha ya baro ki candidate te ki syam ba ki don ki candidate ki apply arsin ya kaju oppose arsin ya kaju oppose akan odur te kila ada apply ni kong shua ada way number phone te haden ki apply biang sudah way number phone mud ba arsin te kumi gitu ki candidate ki ha bandaj verify lem komta ya ki insa sha reject te ka last date namta kini candidate ki apply arsen the way number phone te ka last date kan dei khat new tarik ban verify ma te public no ada ki kan mau ya de ba ki apply arsen nganai nuksa kalong kumden mar ba bun ba ga ka mikla plus usah itu baru apply ka thut ha te yo don ki candidate ki ba apply ni kong daw number jong the way number phone te kalong hadin ban login kam long shu ki apply biang subway number de ya ka ju ko post te kumi kitu ikan dit kan mau ha lada phi kan mau ya de ba phi le kom ta phi apply arsin te phi ha ban like verify hapo CRB mo Central Recruitment Board hapo moro te ban pinsisa ya de ba sabatai balai phi register kom ta phi bakala ha jin bakala jong phi makan kom ta phi ban like ban pensisa ban yatu bat kin sale ya ban kam nomor lada phi claim like ban verify am te at the later stage lada phi yo ban sa exam ru te kin sa verify da phi lami list makana ru pin sa sha reject kata ka ba janjar ma kan ma ba pin sa sha reject te kan ada ong pa ada ngin puli kham hai kan ka notification la pelaja date shillong 10 April the needs to inform that on further verification there are some more candidate nang don yang candidate whose candidature is doubtful nang doubtful yang unquestionable even though the roll number did not feature in the notice mur haga to notice sebelah depan mi claim don kita ki roll number tangba kinang long doubtful yang in addition candidate who had applied more than once for the same post ngut ba kidon will apply ya ka juga post na license ya ka juga post te kini kinang long doubtful tapi haba nelong ba more than once for the same post by using different phone number. Kan mau ki babran kam arsen ki apply arsen la jong phone number. Te yo kitu ki badon karte mami karte arsen license yo kilak kumta ba nikong pi apply the way phone number haden pi kwa ban apply biang pile apply the way phone number biang te pi mi karte arsen license pi ar tali ki roll number uju ubreu. Nomor hakato kalis bapun mi hakato por kidon ki ba mi karte ar tali laterly let's say yo kadai na kata kadau ba kimi ar kartang namar ba yo kirip apply da artli number phone nane marla apply shun kong do number phone la apply bang session ki post ki bang ki apply bang da way number phone to le thmai ya te komi kitu pihak ban let ban verify te la da phum kan ma shu ld phis go raten let verify hapo Central Recruitment Board office by using different phone number which is against the advertisement guideline and hereby directed to report report and file representation before the CRB office Shillong on or before the 17th April hal and issue ka khanyo tarik bana April te sekan mau gitu kiba apply asen lisin lumta the way number phone ma laga jong number phone ba kiba register rujuk number phone ta amle lera ndai gitu kiba apply the way number phone take to haban leipan verify kemawa filling which their candidature will be rejected. Further, the verification of inauthentic candidate is going on throughout the entire process of the recruitment. Kemud ba kanang yat baik kan verification da kilap kinu ba long doubtful the lat yang tak kinsa reject baik no. Entire process of the recruitment and on such verification candidate may be terminated such terminated and reject baik from the recruitment at any stage, even if their name appear in the selection list. What lada kerteng yung kidon haka selection list hadin terlalap baki de long doubtful bro the verification pensa reject by. Therefore, candidates are advised to take the matter seriously as to avoid inconvenience and legal lawsuit. Te second mau hai kane kitui candidate kiba apply arsin the way number phone, shisin the way number phone, ar the way number phone. Te second mau ha ban let ban report yala de po CRB office. Te kan mau te selek ka kabanan kam mar kan nyu trik kan next week Monday di khat sau khat san khat ru khat nyo si ba sau nang yo sa sau si te tang kan nei hi nagleng jonga ka jban shai kini te khulish bon